Three. Hello, Ashne. Is this your room?
Yeah.
Okay, first we'll go to the
First room.
first one. This is the visitors washroom,
Yeah.
and this is the desk for work, which has printer and computer
Plus scanner.
and scanner. Yes. And hello, Anya.
Hello. Hi, Papa.
And this is the mini bar and complimentary bottle, and it has sitting area. And now we have come to a dining place. It has a beautiful TV, and here we have the fabulous view of the sea. Wow! And this room has
Kids room. This is a
kids
room.
bedroom. Now we'll go to the bedroom of the first floor. It is a suite actually, which we have got. So there are stairs going up. Yes. See, this is our luggage, and starts with the washroom, where we have exclusive toiletries from Burj, gents toiletries, ladies
And this is for
Kids.
ladies toiletries,
because.
and this is shower area.
And this is jacuzzi.
This is
Jacuzzi.
jacuzzi, washrooms. Now we'll come out from the washroom and we'll go to, this is makeup room, and this is the master bedroom, which has a beautiful view of the
What's this one?
sea.
Oh.
And this is sitting area.
What's to see here?